Technology, services, and products are constantly evolving. In the last 300 years, the industry has gone through 4 revolutions: mechanization, production on an assembly line, automation, and more recently, digitalization. We live in a world of diversity where brands and companies seek to adapt to each consumer reality, to services and products that depend on the need and will of each client. To fulfill the numerous market requests, the automation industry continues to adapt itself to its consumers. The Introsys contribution to the AVANGARD Project aimed to improve the production lines of electric cars and bicycles with the introduction of a middleware for communication and services between devices. It allows the integration of different stations, facilitating additive manufacturing, laser cutting, or assembly lines in a unique and flexible platform, guaranteeing the possibility of the desired product customization, data management, and quality control by being able to adapt the configuration of the equipment depending on production objectives. At the same time, AVANGARD sends all the KPIs information for analysis in a cloud-based environment using blockchain methodology to guarantee data security. This solution gives each manufacturer a constant overview of the entire value chain. AVANGARD allows the workstation KPIs analysis referring to products produced, occupancy rates, downtime, energy consumption, or non-compliances to be processed at all levels, allowing for a more data-driven decision-making. All this data is sent securely following a single standard. For the development of AVANGARD, Introsys used different instruments for a better understanding and testing of all the process modularity, including 2 industrial cells of different standards, AGVs, and sensor networks. AVANGARD is a fully adaptable system that can be integrated into most existing factories and not limited to the automotive industry. AVANGARD is a solution that will transform the automation industry, making it more agile, flexible, and accessible.